Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I want to show you another Crowne. This is a 2020 model from Harris Float Boats. First thing I'm going to point out is the exterior color. It's blue. This is a complete fiberglass fence all the way around the boat. I'm going to go ahead and point out this front Bimini as well. That can be stored that way if you want to catch some rays up here, or you can completely cover this whole boat with the double Bimini setup. Under all these seats, there's plenty of storage underneath. If you guys notice, we have the red lights on there. Those actually change colors. They're RGB lights and they can be adjusted with a knob, or you can have them constantly changing. This boat does have the stereo upgrade with the JL Audio speakers, 2 subwoofers, amplifiers, and the JL Audio head unit. Plenty of armrests throughout this boat and plenty of cup holders, which is a big thing. Got the ski locker right there. Then we're moving up straight to the helm. This boat does have a glove box right here. Like I said, it has the JL Audio head unit, then the Simrad display, which has not been set up to, with everything yet, but that's for whoever buys the boat. We'll set them up with that during the delivery orientation, teach them how to use everything on the boat. This boat also has a power tower, so with just the push of a button, this is going to fold down almost to about right here, which is good for storage purposes. Also at the helm, we do have all your switches right here, your digital throttle and shift, and a tilt steering wheel. This captain's chair does have a flip-up bolster, so if you want to sit a little higher, you can do that. Again, storage under all these seats right here. We also have this power backrest. If you push a button, it's going to move forward. I'm going to keep going a little bit. I want to point out another feature back here. We do have the JL Audio transom remote. Great for when you're sitting back here just watching the sitting out, watching the waves, watching the water, the sunset, all that good stuff. You can change the stereo if you want to. We have the swim seat right here that actually folds down into the water. This is a Mercury 400 horsepower Verado. They have all your stainless steel fencing, which makes it legal for you to ride back here while you're underway. Then your extra wide stainless steel telescoping ladder. You guys, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax showing you the 2020 Harris Float Boat. Come by and see us soon.